purportedly ratified. Malaking himala. Sabi nga nung dekada 70, ayos na ang buto-buto. Nakakalungkot ang nangyayaring ito. And we should all be disheartened by the manner our BICAM was conducted, by the means the BICAM report was ratified. It is, after all, a very important, perhaps the single most important piece of legislation we pass each year. Isang yumaong miyembro ng Senado ang nirerespeto ng lahat na si Senator Dominador Aytona, anak ng Bicol, once defined the national budget, the General Appropriations Act, as the economic program of government designed for the people's benefit in numbers and figures rather than words and letters. This week, the greatest power of the legislature, the power of the purse, has been trivialized and wantonly squandered. Ito ba talaga ang BICAM report, ang programa ng gobyerno para sa sambayang Pilipino?